Wedding proposal gone wrong. Hey, this one my body just dey do like this. My people, they say this guy wan propose to this girl. They don plan am. Una know as the some people dey do and they go plan, invite friends. You understand? Make they come surprise the girl. When everybody come gather there. So yeah, make we see wetin go happen. The girl even dey emotional. Everything don dey set. That's why the guy dey try put the ring for him finger. My people, wahala come burst. This girl come run mad. Hey, abeg, I no wan waste una time because this one dey very hot. So for una wey no know wetin dey happen now, join me make we watch the video. Yeah? Hey, abeg, wetin just happen now? Wetin una see now? Hey, Chineke. This one na wetin una wan call am? Una go say na the girl fault, abi na the boy. Abeg, wetin happen? This thing, the only thing wey dey see now na spiritual. Serious spiritual wahala na I just see now. Just like that. Abeg, make dem hold that boy. Because me, I no know anything wey una wan tell me now. Say man, na propose this one. Now I no dey even trust anybody. How you go just wan put ring for person finger? Just like that, person go start dey mad. Hold that guy. E dey very important. Make una hold that guy. He must explain to us why, wetin happen, how e happen, where e go, and where e dey come from. Even after the girl run mad, una no even notice. The girl no even do like say, like the thing no even surprise am. E be like say e know say e go happen. E dey expect am. Chai! Fear human being. Fear human beings. Especially una wey go just dey date person wey una no even know. How you go do this kind thing to person pikin? How? And you say you love her, una don dey date, you love person. But people, when I see this video, I don't even dey talk say, oh God, when person go come put my own. When like I don't dey, you understand? Ladies, una fit relate. I don't dey, before you know am, boom, it happen. Hey! Check am. Tomorrow now, una go see this same guy. Make una mark him face. You don dey drive Benz. I no talk anything. I just dey, you understand? Make una check am. Now why they tell una now say this guy get explanation to give us? E dey very important. Where he go? Who give am this thing? Because nowadays the way people dey look for money, they no even send again. They no care anything. They fit just do anything. If it's not the guy now, because now go they tell me say anything and they blame men. Ungwanu, I know they blame men now. Make we look the other side. Let me say, if no be this guy, they at fault. Let me say this guy get papi water. Maybe she get spiritual husband where they don't agree. Say, you understand? Say she no suppose marry any other person. Because if no be that one, which other reason I want give me? Because this thing they very critical. Just like that. Even after this thing, when I just watch, they say security for that place. Even they even bundle them, remove them from that place. So before they go say now from their place, person run mad. Make una dey careful. Because nowadays, girls and marriage, girls and wedding ring, they be like 5 and 6 wahala. Any small thing I want to marry. From excitement, you enter madness. I just know say something must happen this period. I just know. Everybody they jump. Hey, this one, hey, that one. Everybody they jump. But me, they feel say something go happen. All of una way they do lovers. Make una continue. No open una eye. No open una eye. Na so una go desperation go just carry una. They do something different. Make una open una eye. Person where you know say you they date. Shine, see, find out, check. And so they go just use una do something wey una no even know. Before una know and now time don go, e don already late, nothing wey fit change am. So make una dey very very careful. You understand? No go marry all in name of rush. You go end up turn to goat. E dey very very important. This one now bring am now so that girls go learn. Girls, because men no dey rush to marry. Men fit dey 40 years. Except if na one wey don plan and say okay now I wan marry. Men no dey rush. Girls now na pressure every time. Make una take am easy oh. You understand? My people, na the matter wey I bring for una be this oh. So any of una wey no say una get anything to talk, if na rituals, if na spiritual husband, any one wey you know say e be the cause of this thing, still drop am for that comment section. But me, I don tell una the one way I think say it happen. So yes, make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss anything wey we drop. Very very important. Meanwhile, on to our next story. Davido and im crew don come give us another headache oh my people. This particular set of people, in fact, if una know how everybody don tire for them, my people, another one don happen. This one, they say they go on lunch, say I don't know, they go get fun, enjoy themselves. I know nobody know where to come bring problem. They start a fight person for that place. So the place where they fight, saloon, they close to that side. You understand? Now so one of the staff for the saloon come outside say, make I even check. You understand? Make it maybe not break any of our property. And to hold and behold, as he go outside, it can't happen say they don't spoil something. Now simple thing, this guy just open mouth talk. He say, see oh, you people are breaking our property oh. Only that one. My people, now so they come, in fact they forget person where they don't they beat before. Come handle this guy. The guy come dey bleed. In fact, the matter just it just enter critical gear. Abi for now we no know wetin dey happen because una too dey sleep. I don't bring una correct matter. So join me, make we watch the video.
Men have done to our staff right here. They beat the guy as if the guy is still. The guy didn't do anything. They beat the guy. But we punish all of them. You guys can see. The guy didn't do anything. Look how they beat the guy. See. Look how they beat the guy. As if the guy didn't do anything. Davido and their men, they came to police lounge to catch fun. So there was beating some guy. We are inside our working place. We are working today. So they were beating some guys. So one of our staff now went outside to check that what was going on. Before the guy went outside, they see that the guy said that they have already spoiled one of our property that they dropped there. The guy was like, you guys have spoiled our property. They didn't even want to hear what the guy was saying. They were just beating up the guy like as if the guy steal something. I was just crying that what was going on. Why are you doing this, Davido's men? And Davido didn't even say anything.
Now go come outside, can they give us many reasons why Davido no dey at fault, why Davido no do this one. See, I always dey talk one thing and that thing I go still talk again. You fit get all the money for this life, but money no fit buy you class. You understand? E no fit buy you class. No, see, I no just don't understand. Davido, wetin be your problem? Whether una go tell me now, Davido was not there, Davido this one. No be people. No be the leader. Now only Agberos just full these people group. Agberos everywhere. Waiting. We no go drink water drop cup for Nigeria because Davido get crew members. We no go waka free for road because Davido get crew members. Person no even feel voice out in mind again because Davido get crew members. What happen? Now the reason be this. Why nobody even like this their Davido group. Now the reason be this: any small thing violence, and matter even reach me say this thing no be the first time where they happen. Apart from the ones where me myself I don't, you understand, I don't experience. It don't they happen before. Haba, baby, una safe make una try get small conscience. Now why not even they support this? Una remember that NSAS thing where they say Davido go they lead, Davido go they part. I not even support them from the one. How you go call the support NSAS? Me and then your crew they behave like SAS. Which kind of contradiction be this one? If you dey one side, make we know say you dey and behave yourself because this all this Chineke. Now why people no even like this Davido matter? Because when people they talk say, hey, we don't like Davido, we don't like, I can't wonder say about this guy na cool guy, they sing where they do. Now don't they see him? I don't they see everything. You know if they do charity works and then they condone inhuman behavior. This is inhuman. How you go beat person pikin? In the first place, you be public figure. You be celebrity. People they look up to you. So it gets some things where you're not even supposed to do. I don't say once in a while we they get issues, we they get things where go warrant fights. But if you must always remember who you be. Remember say people they look up to you. No, they carry this kind of behavior. It no good. What do you call they teach people now? So now tomorrow you go stand for microphone front. They sing about love. You and who they sing love. Show us by action. Show us your action. Not be just to sing. Maybe people love your song. They make money. My people, if Davido no change this to his crew, they go bring him down for. They go bring him down for very serious because now he don't they go everywhere. People don't already see. Once you mention Davido, people just they think fight. Many people now, una go just the open mouth. Many of una no even know wetin happen. Una no even know. Una just because una una favorite artist, una no even want look good side of the matter. He is wrong. He is wrong. And no matter how una go say he was not there, I don't care if he was not there. As long as say na the leader. Una go even dey shock say na Davido even send them make they go fight. If it happen, you understand? Because see, we live in a world now where people no want go do dirty work. They prefer to they get people where they go they send. I not to say he send them, and I not to say he no send them because now anything they possible. Tomorrow now go yes say he send them. Una go shut up. Una go shut up. Money. Now this guy, he go just go hospital now, go spend small salary. We don't even know how much the guy even they earn. He go spend his small money now, say they treat you. Una no see the back, how they bleed. You know nice, oh. You know nice. I beg all of una. When you know say you get fame, you get power, you get money, anywhere where you belong to. As I don't mention, I beg, try to humble yourself. Try to humble yourself. Say your papa get money, no mean say we all go die. We not go die because of you. So please, Davido, I dey beg. If no be you send these people, make we just assume say no be you. Before I go to say I don't talk. You understand? At least talk to them. Make them stop this rascal behavior. If the only thing where your gang they do not to fight, it better make you no kukuma get gang. See Whiskey they there. As I talk am before, not be saying people know they get problem. But Whiskey matter, you know go the hear like that. Una too they behave childish. This is childishness. In fact, I beg, how I thought childlessness. I beg English not be my language. Anyone we need how we want take I dey vex. And now, because all of una we no say know the guy where they involved, where they injure. I beg make una in fact, Davido in people and the police people, I don't they call una out now. Make that guy go receive treatment. And make you no pay one dime. Una go make sure say una take care of every bill where una need take care of. Because no being sent una make una they behave like agberos. I know they accept violence, I beg. I know this one, no, out of her. This one don't pass. You don't pass matter. I know that. No be say you be God. Where we go say, okay, oh, God don't come. I beg. Nobody there above the law. You understand? So if this crew member needs to be arrested, may they carry them go jail. If Davido they involved, making to follow enter jail, nobody there above the law. No come tell me say your father is this, your grandfather is this. I don't care. Make everybody where they involved inside this matter, may they arrest them. Very, very important. No come they tell me matter when I get money, I go they misbehave. I know they inside that nonsense. So my people, now the matter where I bring now be this. So if you don't say you there against waiting I talk, may the battle start for that comment section. May we start and I go they reply now one by one. You understand? And again, if you like the vex for waiting I talk, that subscription you go subscribe now by force. So make sure say you subscribe. I still love you now, and now just they make me they put serious face. You understand? I mean, people, may we go on to our next story.